It's Monday, 12/12, December 12th. Today's my husband's birthday. Happy birthday, honey. All right, lots to talk about tonight. Lots to talk about. First of all, holidays. Where are we with holidays? Today is the birdie. Remember the birdie? The personal alarm. Carry this with you and make your mama happy. Fabulous. Personal alarm. It looks like this. It's an alarm. It comes with a carabiner and a key ring. If you are feeling threatened, if you have it in your on your pocketbook or on your belt loop or on your backpack, you simply pull apart this ring from the base. This light goes off, flash, 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 and there is a siren on the back. Now, it's not going to ruin your hearing, but it is piercing and loud, and it will startle whatever is causing you anxiety. So, we have recommended it, and people use it to take a walk and to defend themselves against some sort of angry dog, or even a bear in the woods, or one of your kids on campus, or somebody who lives in the city, or just anybody, anywhere, in a parking lot, whatever. They are $32 a piece. They are fabulous. I have sold well over 100 of them, and I think this is an amazing product. So, She's Birdie is today, and you can still get it until the middle of the night. Tomorrow is the Gleaner Dryer Dots. 3 dryer balls that I keep in my dryer all the time. This is tomorrow's, okay? So this starts in the morning, the dryer dots. 10% off tomorrow this, tonight this. Oh, 6 o'clock. I'm late tonight. All right. I want to tell you, we sent out an email today. Once again this year, we are adopting Friend to Friend, which is a domestic violence, sex assault, and human trafficking organization here in Moore County, which takes in women and families, children that need to be safe from their challenged or difficult situation, okay? It's a home situation. It's lovely. And I think for the past, this might be our 5th year, that we have hosted all of their Christmas gifts. So they give us a list of all the residents who are there for December or Christmas Day. They give us a list of what their wants are, the mom and the kids, and we do our very best to get everything on their list. And it's all thanks to you. You guys donate money, and or if you live here and can come in and look at the list of needs, you can do it that way. So we just ask that you open your hearts and your pocketbooks and give us a call. If you're not here, we will take your donation and we will send you a donation receipt for your tax purposes. Think about it. We are delayed getting their lists this year. We're about a week late, and that's all because of the power outage. So we've got to really hustle up. We got to get our donations in, and we got to get it delivered to them. So I need everything in by the 21st of December. That is not very far away. It is not this Wednesday. It's next Wednesday. We can do it. It's not a problem. I just want you to get busy, okay? Now, we got a restock on these fabulous Thriving Earth bamboo socks. They are one size for adults. They fit, I think it's a 7 to a 10 maybe. They are 100% bamboo. And for every pair of socks sold by Thriving Earth, they give a pair to a homeless person. Pretty nifty situation. 100% bamboo, eco-friendly. They are awesome. Let me show you the colors. So I've got the brown and then the burgundy. It's all sort of a Fair Isle pattern. This is navy blue, burgundy, and black. I have chocolate brown, green. I have cream with burgundy, turquoise. These are brown and black and turquoise. Well, I already showed you the green. There's this lovely orchid purple for your girl people, and the blue and the yellow I think was the most popular. So that's what I have. Call us, only $9.99. A perfect stocking stuffer or gift for everybody on your list, unless they have a giant foot. That would be the only thing. All right. She's Birdie. Happy holidays. Gleaner tomorrow, the dryer balls. And most importantly, friend to friend. Read your email. See what to do. Go to Friend to Friend and read about what they do. They are an amazing organization. It is a United Way agency that helps to save and elevate the lives of Moore County women and children by ensuring them a safe place to stay away from the horrors of domestic violence. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Anyway, it's meaningful for us. So thanks. And we'll do it again this year. We do it every year and we get it done. It's amazing. All right. I think that's it. I will chat with you tomorrow.